Let's check out how to make a sidechain pumping effect in Ableton Live using the auto pan. First, I'm going to load the wavetable to make a simple sound. Change it to a saw wave. Add some unison. Adjust the envelope and turn it down. Let me go and add autopan. As we mentioned in earlier videos, autopan is a dual LFO that controls the volume of the left and right channels, but if we take the phase all the way down or all the way up, now it controls the volume of both the left and right together, giving us a gator effect that is useful for many things like tremolo and the sidechain effect I'm going to show you. So amount all the way up, phase all the way down. Let's change the shape to a saw. We'll invert it, and we can bring the shape up to create some curve. Maybe we don't need the amount all the way up. Nice, let's synchronize it to a quarter note. And now it will give us that classic 4 on the floor sidechain pump just using the auto pan.